Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hibernate your LinkedIn profile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up linkedin.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, hover over your user profile and click onto where it says settings and privacy. On the left hand side, you're going to see settings with some tabs here. So click on the account preference tab and then scroll down and we're going to have account management. Under that, there's a hibernate account option. So go ahead and click into this. And as it states, hibernating your account deactivates it temporarily. You can reactivate it anytime after 24 hours by logging back in. Then it's going to tell you what happens to your profile, what happens to your associated subscription license here. And also if you got any actions, you need to complete any actions before you can hibernate. So as it states here, I'm a developer. I've got a developer application. So you're the only admin of one or more developer applications. It makes someone else the admin. So I can go ahead and click manage admin status. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click on hibernate, and that's going to hibernate my account.